The beautiful thing about knitting is that no matter where you are, knitting needles are widely accepted. So here I am actually knitting on the go, and I am demonstrating for you how to actually perform the purl side of Stockinette Stitch. So this is with Dusty Rose. This is the second block. So with Stockinette Stitch, you actually knit across the front and you purl across the back. In purling across the back, you have to make sure that your knitting needle is going in the right position as well as your yarn going in the right position. So here, you're going to insert the needle from back to front. You're going to take the yarn, you're going to wrap it around the right hand needle, and then you're going to swing the needle underneath the left hand needle. Again, you're going to take the needle into the yarn, wrap it around the right hand needle, and swing underneath the left hand needle. Now, according to the pattern, you've got to make sure that you purl all the way to the last 4 stitches, and then you're going to knit the last 4 stitches. Now that knit stitch is done on both the left and the right sides of the back. So you've got to count down to make sure that you only have 4 stitches remaining. It looks here as if I need to perform one more purl stitch, making sure that everything is lined up properly. I'm going to perform that one last purl stitch, take the needle in, wrap the yarn around, making sure not to catch the left hand needle, but pulling the right hand needle underneath the left hand needle. Now when it's time to knit the last 4 stitches, you're going to take the yarn from in the front of the right hand needle, and you're going to take it to the back of the right hand needle in order to perform the knit stitch. And now you're ready to knit the last 4 stitches. And here we go. You're going to take the needle from the front to the back, wrap the yarn around, and then now you're pulling that needle towards you with the knit stitch. We've got 3 more stitches to go. Taking the needle in from front to back, wrap that yarn around, and then pull the needle towards you. And 2 more stitches to go. Now after you have performed all 4 of the stitches to complete that row, you can remove the left hand needle and you can turn your work around. And as you begin to go further, you'll see how the design is actually coming all together. It looks great.